I have successfully connected my Cloud subscription to my Telegram account. So now every time when I'm outside at the gym or just having a dinner or chilling by the pool, I can continue prompting my Cloud to work. So that way I can utilize my usage as best as possible. And I managed to connect it in just 5 minutes. Let me show you how. And if you don't know what Cloud is, I highly doubt that you all know what Cloud is because it's currently exploding the internet. It's the most ultimate tool that has ever existed, and it can help you out basically do anything. With pure natural English language, you can prompt it and it can do anything for you. From connecting to all of your tools to generating all kinds of content, and I mean also images and videos, to editing your videos, to also creating personal assistants and agents for everything, and it just makes your life 10 times easier. But Cloud is a topic for another video, so in this one I'll just show you how you can connect your Cloud subscription directly to your phone via Telegram, so you can use your Cloud on the way. To connect our Cloud to our phone, we're gonna be needing a VPS server, and for that we will use Hostinger because it's very easy to set up. So now I'll walk you through how to register on the platform. You can simply sign up with Google or just using your email address and password. I've quickly signed up with Google, and as you can see, the process is very straightforward. It's just one-step process. So here I'm on my account, and the next step is to click on VPS. Then we're gonna click on set up a VPS, and right here you can choose the server location that is nearest to your home. In my case it's Germany, so I'll click next. Here it prompts you to choose an operating system, so I'll choose Ubuntu 24. Here you'd be prompted to create a root password for your VPS. I strongly encourage you to be strong one, and here we have the option to add an SSH key, but we'll do this later. So for now, just put your password and click next. And for the additional features, we'd only need the malware scanner. It would be helpful, so just check it and click next. And now for the plan, just select the cheapest one and then proceed to the payment. And we are already setting our VPS. It would look something like this. So as I said, the process is very easy, and now we're gonna head on to our Cloud. I also forgot to mention that you have to do a screenshot of your VPS setup. So when you send it to Cloud, it can actually craft you the connection key that we use to actually connect Cloud to our VPS. So now we are in our Cloud and I'll just write to it, "Hi Cloud, I've set up my own VPS server. Please help me connect you to this VPS server. I will use Telegram as an user interface." Simple prompt, just send Cloud that and let's see what it responds. As a next step, we'll head on to Telegram, and in our search bar we'll search for Father, so we'll click on Bot Father and click Start. This Bot Father channel would help us create our Telegram bot, which will connect with Cloud. So you can see here I run the command new bot, then I gave my bot a name, then a nickname, and then it created our bot. So we are gonna copy all of this text and go back to Cloud. And here it asks me some questions. So I'll answer with the Telegram information that I just received. But for you, it may be different, but just make sure that you guide your Cloud to actually connect your VPS with your Telegram bot and Cloud subscription, not Cloud API key, but Cloud subscription. So for everyone, the setup with Cloud can be a little different, but those are the main guidelines I can give you. So I've sent all the Telegram details, and now it prompted me to open this link right here. So I can actually connect my subscription to my Telegram, and then we'll test it out if it works. So after you open the link and authorize your Cloud subscription, it will give you another code that you have to come back here to your Cloud session in Visual Studio Code or your editor. Doesn't matter if it's Visual Studio Code or any other editor, and just copy and paste the code that it gave you right here. And after 1 minute, it says that everything is deployed and running. So let's go and test out our Telegram bot. To open your new Telegram bot, simply click the link right here. Click on Start, and right now it doesn't reply to us because we haven't given our Telegram ID. So let me show you how to do that. Here in the search bar, again, you should search for user info, go there and just click Start, and it will give you all of your information. So here is the ID. You just have to copy it and paste it again into Cloud so it can whitelist only your Telegram account to be able to chat with your new Telegram bot, because you don't want anyone to be able to chat with your Telegram Telegram bot which is connected to your Cloud Code, right? And now after starting over again, I'll message my bot once again and let's see if it replies. So I'll just write something like, hey, who are you? And after some testing and fixing stuff on my bot, it now works. So don't worry if you encounter any issues, technical or not, on the VPS or the connection between your Telegram and VPS, just talk with Cloud Code on the UI you're using and it will help you resolve all of them. So going back to my real Cloud Assistant, here you can see that it has access to all the different projects that I'm working on. So let me show you how you can give your actual Cloud Assistant on your Telegram access to your files and projects that you work together on your laptop. To achieve that, I'm using this platform called GitHub, where I host my files and projects regarding my clients or my business or anything else. If you're not familiar with GitHub, don't worry, there are plenty of tutorials out there on YouTube how to register, and also you can speak with your cloud on how to configure all of that. But when you have a project on your laptop, let's say, you can simply tell Claude to push it into GitHub. It will prompt you to create an account and it will put the project into GitHub, which is like a cloud. And then from your Cloud Code on your Telegram, you can pull those files so you can reference those same files right there. And don't worry, you can make it private so only you can see your projects and stuff which is going on. So you can edit your projects in your Cloud Assistant on your phone, and then you can pick them up from your laptop with the new change, and thus you can work from both your laptop and phone. Problem solved. That's all on how you connect your cloud subscription to your phone so you can work from everywhere. If you have any questions setting this up, or you just want to see some video on a different topic, just let me know in the comments and I'll manage that. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps me a ton. Thank you again and see you in the next one.